Hey guys, let's face it. So if we're a big car enthusiast, we like working in our garage, we're like that workshop kind of guy, just like spending time in the garage, working on different projects, to say the least. The garage is our man cave, right? We like being in here. Garage lighting is a big key thing because you want to have plenty of light in your garage when you're working on your projects. So in this video, I'm going to show you the details of my lighting kit that I have on my garage door that will give you 14,000 lumens of light with the door actually open. Let's go ahead and get started. So what I like about this kit is that it's very discreet, it's very bright, and I'll show you the setup of what I have as far as when I have it turned on, and then just the details behind it. So since I have an insulated 4-panel garage door, here are the LED strips that run all the way across to each side. So when I installed the kit, they just stick on with double-sided tape there. Obviously all that's supplied in there. And then just like with any other normal LED strip, you just cut off at the end where you're supposed to cut off. So, I get it as close as possible to the very end. So that way I can, get the actual distance away. Now we're going to come over to this side, and this is where it all kind of comes together on each of the ones. Now you have everything tacked back here. This is your actual connector that's going to connect over on the side once the door is actually open, so I'll show you that. But this is where all of the LED strips come together. So once the garage door actually opens, comes all the way back, it's then going to make contact with the connector here that runs all the way up and all the way over the transformer box so I can actually plug it in. Now what I did here is I just did some, these hide your cables like if you do a flat screen TV on the wall, just to keep it clean looking. So climbing up here, like I said, it comes all the way down. It's my setup here. And then it comes down to the transformer box. Now every time the garage door opens, it will power it, right? And will turn on the 4 LED strips, which will equal your 14,000 lumens of light there. Now, so I don't run this every single time the doors open, I have it just on a little timer box to come on when it's actually dark, and then if we come home late and stuff like that, so that way from that perspective it's good. So I've had this kit installed on my garage door since the first week of April. It's been flawless, works like a charm. It's nice because when you come home late, you can actually just have plenty of light in the garage. Let me show you with the door open here in the daylight, and then we'll switch to the night view so that way you can actually see what it looks like at night.
lumens.com. Great kit, you know, great guy to work with. Of course, you know, if you have questions, you know, reach out to him. He's on Instagram, Facebook, and all that. But plenty of light, 14,000 lumens, and I really like having it in my garage, you know, when I'm come home. All right, guys, take care. Big thumbs up, and I'll chat with you soon. Take care.